talked about earlier when we said the Chonikops, or the coffin fish, as it's also referred to. And this one seems to be a little bit more orange than the red one that we found. But
yeah. This is a more typical color morph.
He's an ugly little guy, isn't he?
I think he's cute.
Well, sure, to each their own, I guess.
Face only a mother could love.
Yeah.
Any parasites on this one? Looks like it's got some sediment.
Are those
to the bottom?
Are those fins or little feet that it has tucked away in the bottom?
Yeah, they're modified fins that act like feet with air quotes. Yeah, but they're really just fins.
That is so cool.
Good look at his underside.
Wow, gorgeous orange eyes.
Wow.
I've never seen one swim this far up before. These probably are more active. You will use their photosynthetic lure to maybe bioluminescent, lure to attract prey items.
See, look at that face.
Hi, Chonikops.
I personally like Chonex better than Chonikops. That's just my
hot take.
It's just a Pokemon name there.
We're just listing off.
What does it evolve into?
Chonex evolves into Chonikops.
Vampiro chooses.
Yeah.
Can I go in?
Oh,
that is so cool. Wow.
Wow, look at that. Wow.
Holy cow.
This is Big Eye.
Okay, it took about
Oh, what?
15 captures.
Not enough.
I'm still going. She's just not allowed to say Shazam. Vampire sword, you said it was?
Looks like it.
Ooh. Colors, look at that.
Lovely.
Oh, hello. Yep.
Can we zoom on that one?
Oh, yeah. Is this unusual? What in the heck? Weird.
That almost looks like one of those red things they saw floating through the
yeah.
water column earlier. Is that a parasite? It's got a sail.
Is it somehow producing another? Never seen that.
That does look like one of those, but it's not the same red color we saw before, was it?
It looks similar. That had sort of like a symmetrical fin almost. It looked like on the top of it.
That's bizarre.
Wow.
Even Holothurians get the blues. Edible? Definitely not, unless you're Japanese.
It looks like we've got a nice treat here of an octopus.
Wow.
Everyone should check him out before he decides to move on.
Oh, I didn't realize I was that high. It's not spooked. Wow. He's had a little bit of trauma, it looks like. Yeah, some tentacles are cut off. Maybe a foot long or something.
It's possible that this octopus is getting older. A lot of deep-sea octopuses only live between 6 months and a year, so this could be a senescing octopus. When they get older, their skin can sometimes just start to disintegrate and fall apart.
Okay. Thanks. So they are prone to be eaten at this stage.
Target in your sonar?
Yeah, when they get
really
older, they
stop
stop eating, they get slower. They don't necessarily try to escape predators, which would be consistent with the behavior we just saw with him not trying to get away from Hercules. So my guess would be that's an older octopus toward the end of its lifespan.
Yeah, so that would answer the question that two of our viewers just asked, if it is shedding or is it molting. So that should answer your question.
Okay, that was a bizarre
Nice.
fish.
Thanks so much. What was that fish again?
I'll wait till it settles out.
Common name would be goosefish, or they market in the fishery monkfish, called a poor man's lobster.
Oh, okay.
It's a type of anglerfish. It does have a lure.
I'll do a half
And
zoom
it
there,
fits
Mary.
to the bottom, and it'll kind of dangle its lure to attract prey to its mouth. It has a really large gape, where it gets its name, the goosefish, being able to
A beautiful
swallow,
fish, isn't it?
yeah, a very large prey.
Can I go in real quick and focus?
Sure.
They're coming in for a landing.
2 feet. A little wider. A little wider.
He's too quick.
Wow, that thing's really cool. That's wild.
Don't.
Especially up in the water column. That was a good highlight. I've never seen them swimming myself, so that was cool to see it in action and see them come in for a landing.
He was hard to keep up with.
So those landing appendages, those are its which fins? Those are the pelvic fins. Okay.
You're all out.
On the front. Okay.
The half zoom was where we were. Just a half zoom there.
Yeah, usually we just see them perched like this on the bottom, so you don't see them swim too often. Swimming.
Whale fall.
Whale fall.
Oh,
here we go, baby. Okay,
It is phenomenal.
we can't stop, can we?
We
We can
are.
stop and come back if you want.
Yeah.
I think.
Let's take our time with it, and then
I
we
think
have
it's
to
worth
come
it.
back anyway. So.
Video.
That
Oh
is
my
amazing.
god.
Okay.
So
I can't hear Greg.
Yeah, this is worth a stop.
This
That's
is like a baleen whale, and you can still see the baleen.
Yes.
The baleen is still there.
Yep.
Oh,
That's
this is
right.
great.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Someone who has Twitter, tell
15
Twitter if you
octopus.
don't have one.
Somebody tell Twitter. Twitter is with us
Oh
right now.
my
They see
goodness.
it.
Look at them.
Wow. This is incredible.
So, yeah,
Talk
this
about
is-
Challenge.
When you zoom on the
The
bones,
dinner
they look
bell
like they have
ringing,
the
right?
spikes. They
Yeah.
might
We are
already
so
have-
excited up here, just
Greg,
saying.
can I zoom?
Yes, come
Yeah,
and
let's
get
go ahead
it.
and zoom in.
Yeah. Dinner is
Do we have
served.
any
And if,
bone-eating worms?
Bridge, if we could track a line back.
So
There's still
I don't
soft
see any
tissue
red
on
tentacles or
it.
I
anything yet.
don't. I see some brown fuzz on the vertebrae.
Yeah.
I mean, on the ribs. So those might be
Yeah,
the
approximately.
Oh, this is
Four.
so cool.
I think that is that.
meters, 450 meters.
I mean,
Yeah.
look at the Argus
you're
view.
right. You're right.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
check
look
out
at the
Argus
Argus
view.
view.
Can I so perfect?
So what do we estimate the length of that?
How long is Hercules?
2.5 meters.
Well,
2.5 meters.
in length from forward to back. Yeah.
So this looks like maybe a 4 to 5 meter whale.
Yeah, yeah.
That is still soft tissue.
Crazy.
Yeah.
There's a,
There is.
Definitely with something
All
bigger
right.
than
Well,
meso.
people watching, we'll definitely come back here if we're swinging a little too far and spend some time here. This is definitely worth it.
Yeah, mark the target.
I wonder if this is
and,
some of
we'll
those
go past
octopus'
it and
last
come
meal
back.
before they make their way over.
Ah, that's a good point.
Yeah.
Hi.
Well, we should
Hi,
get the sexes up.
We'll come back. Don't worry.
Okay,
Goodbye.
so
There's
what's
still
happening
fat at
for
the tail.
There's
Amazing.
fat at the tail.
Goodbye, octopus.
Okay, this is awesome.
This is just partially digested still.
This will actually be
In the
pretty
thick
good
of it.
because
on
So
the way,
come up.
we'll go down the slope, and then on the way back, we'll be able to go hit the slope back
Look
up.
at the sediment to the left of the whale.
Yeah,
What's
there's
that?
something on it growing.
Yeah.
There might be some of those worms.
Yeah, bacteria mats, worms, something.
Yeah, I'm thinking bacterial mat of some kind.
Look at
Look at
Oh.
Oh,
that.
that's not bacterial mat.
No, they are
That's
worms.
worms.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So yesterday we were talking about seasonality in the deep sea and how episodic falls of food are a bonanza, I think is the word I use.
Bonanza,
So if
yep.
you come around
And here's a
positive
bonanza.
This is a,
and
yeah.
basically spin around, and then you can give me
Oh,
back
this
to
is
you.
great.
Just think the amount of calories in a whale here. I mean, the equivalent of so much marine snow. It's hard to even compare.
Oh, look
you know?
at the blubber on the right side.
Yeah.
It's not
Yeah,
even
that's
digested all the
right.
way. This
I
is
know.
Oh, yeah.
so cool.
Back up.
Definitely. Where food is so limited, I would imagine. Scavenging is a great strategy. Your food doesn't run away.